Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sit back, relax, and let's do this together. So I have some Greek yogurt here, about 2 cups of Greek yogurt, and I added a teaspoon of red coloring to it, and I'm just mixing this very well. Red coloring goes a long way, so be sure not to add too much so that it don't affect the taste. So I've mixed it properly, and I am just going to set this aside. So I'm going to take 3 cups of whipping cream. You can find whipping cream in your grocery store. And I'm just pouring this and mixing this. And yeah, I am whipping it basically to form like soft peaks at first because I'm going to be adding some other ingredients to it. You're going to whip it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then you can stop to take a break while you add some other ingredients. And I'm adding my condensed milk because I don't need to add sugar. Condensed milk already has the milk and the sugar which you need, and this is about 210 grams. I'm adding my vanilla essence as well. You can use any other flavoring of your choice. You can use butterscotch, chocolate, anything you so desire. And I am just mixing it more to form like medium peaks, to hard peaks, so that it's going to freeze very well and easily to form my ice cream. So I've gotten to the end of my whipping, and I'm just using my spatula to like mix it well, and I am pouring some into this plastic bowl in readiness to freeze it, just making sure everything is flat. And that Greek yogurt with red coloring I set aside the other time, I've added this to it. I'm just mixing it randomly and in batches so that I have my marble streaks like I want, and I'm just mixing it like you can see. There's no hard and fast rule to this. Just do whatever you want, whatever pattern you want. And I am covering it in order to freeze it for about 6 hours at least, or overnight. You want to make sure it's frozen, and it was well frozen, guys. Like by the time I opened it, it was frozen. I had to wait for some time in order for it to thaw a bit, and that is my perfect ice cream. It was so yummy, it was so delicious. I'm just trying to spoon some into this bowl here in order to enjoy it. You can have it with some cookies, you can have it with some cake, with some real velvet cake. It goes perfectly well with red velvet, and it's perfect for the sunny days. It's perfect to take a chill when you come back from work, when you just want to relax and all. So that's the ice cream. It's very easy to make if you ask me. I did this in less than 10 minutes, minus the freezing time, of course. The freezing time takes a long time. So I had to taste my ice cream. Like I said, it was really yummy. Of course, with the whipped cream, with my condensed milk, everything all together. And it takes little ingredients to make, so you don't have to fret. If you don't have to go to the store to buy ice cream, I got you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.